In this video, I'll show you how to cook pinakbet. We have 1/4 kilo pork, 1 pieces red onion. We have also garlic. We have 1 kilo mixed vegetables. Clean it with water 3 times. One tablespoon cooking oil in a hot frying pan. Put the garlic first, and then the red onions. Place the meat. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. We have no liquid seasonings. Add black pepper. Place all mixed vegetables. Additional nor liquid seasoning. Add 4 cups of water. Put the cover and cook for 1 hour. After 1 hour guys, the vegetable and meat is very soft. Magic sarap for seasoning. Ready cook pinakbet. Tara, let's eat. Guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.